Nityanandam. My name is Mayoru Mata. I'm 12 years old and I'm from Houston, Texas.
Nityanandam, my name is Manitya Tripurananda. I'm 17 and I'm from St. Louis, USA.
So today we'll be speaking about comparatively how it is here in Gurukul and then the US. How the US people, the teens and the pre-teens, how they're living their school and their lifestyle comparatively to here in Gurukul.
Usually many Indians come and ask us, like, so many Indians want to move to USA for a better education system. But they'll come up to me and usually ask, why did you move from USA to India? Usually we move from India to USA, but why did you move from USA to India for a better education system? And this is why. One of the main reasons that I personally find is that here, all of us treat each other equally. We don't suppress or impress someone just because of their status or their background and stuff like that. We all treat each other like brothers and sisters. Literally here in Gurukul, everybody supports and raises each other like a family. And if anyone goes through any problem, the first thing they'll do and come is open up to all of us. And that is the beauty of Gurukul, which usually in US school you don't find that. You find lots of gossiping, lots of chit-chatting about other people for no reason. And lots of like tantrums and fights get thrown out, especially in high school. The school where I went to, there were so many fights unnecessarily just because one girl faced a situation and she was unable to tell it out to another girl. But that doesn't even happen in Gurukul. That's one of the beauties.
And actually here in Gurukul, the whole point is because all the unity, the way we all treat each other is brothers and sisters. Because there, if you see in the US, even at the age of 13 or 12, we have the concept of boyfriend and girlfriend. But here in Gurukul, anyone here who joins Gurukul, there's no such concept of this so-called boyfriend and girlfriend, but it's the brother and sister relationship here.
And even though like it's a co-education school where there are boys and girls, all of us treat each other as a family. And Swamiji says very clearly that if we have a relationship before the age of 21, it really spoils our inner space. And that's what we practically see in the US. That when any kid has a relationship under the age of 21, they really mess up their life. And they go through so many breakups unnecessarily. They go through tortures and depression and all those useless pills for no reason. So here in Gurukul, we follow that integrity and it's so beautiful. Like we don't feel deprived of anything over there.
And we have also taken the Bhautika Brahmacharya. You can see here. We are wearing the orange sari. We have taken the Bhautika Brahmacharya.
And another point here in Gurukul is that the education system, especially like in outside schools, even in India or anywhere you go, the outside schools, kids will not be able to relate with teachers as a part of them. There'll be always a separation between the teachers and students. Only the students either will be like so serious with the teacher or like minimal jokes. But here in Gurukul, teachers teach, and we also teach the teachers of how we want to be learned. And we learn so many things. Literally the whole Gurukul knows the periodic table from the age of 7 to the age of 21. Everybody here knows the periodic table just through one song. And that song we all learned as a group, and it was so fun that everybody like knows the.
And actually, as she was telling about this, even the kids at the age of 7, they know the periodic table. I mean, it's not anything about stress. We don't stress ourselves at all. As you can see in the US, you can see at any age, even these elementary school kids, they go through a lot of stress. They have backpacks away, like literally in their own way. And that's crazy. And here we have no such competition.
Not even backpacks exist in.
And it's, I mean, you know, more educated than the outward schools.
Literally, she's only like 11 years old and she finished her 12th grade just a month ago. And
you won't see this in the US. I mean, maximum you will go just a grade or two above your actual thing. But see, I'm just 11 years old, but I've finished my 12th.
that too not like with so much of stress and force on her. She actually just did it through manifesting powers, just by downloading the books and going through the previous question papers and just downloading the answers. She just wrote the exam and now she's much more than a college level kid. Like who in the world will finish 12th grade so easily. Unless you're like a gifted student with like big glasses and all of that, no one will do that. And another plus point I see here in Gurukul is Swamiji. Because Swamiji here, he is like the light force for all of us to live in such a spiritually beautiful family. And he is the person who actually takes care of us like his own daughters and sons. Every single small thing, whether we sleep properly, whether we, even as small as like our clothes or jewelry, he takes care to that minute detail to our enlightenment. And there's literally no other school with a living guru like Swamiji that can actually train us while in the process. And usually a school is not just to learn chemistry, history, geography.